Hi, this is Harish. I'm from Chennai. So I recently purchased this Hyundai Venue S variant in last December. As most of you are, by the time you know, this Hyundai S variant doesn't have this touchscreen Android player. So it comes in a mid variant. So we'll be getting this standard player which generally Hyundai gives. So I thought of upgrading it to Android player. So I was checking in aftermarket whether we'll be getting a suitable Android player since it is a new model. The problem mostly we'll be facing is like the frames which won't be fitted in with our specific variant. So I came across this Woodman from one of my friend, and I've inquired with them, and they recommended a player which they manufacture especially for Hyundai Venue. So I bought this Android player in mid of January, and I fitted in with their local service partners. So you can see the fitting is really amazing. So you can't generally differentiate between this player and the player we generally get along with a Hyundai from OEM. So the minute fittings also it got fitted exactly and properly. So it really shows how Woodman has designed this Android player. So generally we'll be getting this full setup along with this player. So with respect to these options and other things available, so we'll be having this radio navigation, music, and other apps, and where Bluetooth we can connect it with our player. And with respect to the touch response, it is pretty really good, and it is responsive, soft, and quick also. So you can see things. And then with respect to the sound quality also, it is pretty good, which is giving because it is getting connected with the existing OEM speakers, so it is really good in terms of sound output quality. And with respect to other things, we are having a lot of apps loaded in. Since it is an Android player, there are a lot of apps available, and we can always install third-party apps also. And the touch response is pretty much good, and even on broad day sunlight also it is pretty good with respect to the screen brightness. And along with this player, I've got a reverse parking camera which will be installed by the service partners. If you can see that camera is also really neat. So along with these parking guidelines, so it's all inbuilt one, which is really pretty much good from Woodman. And the more important part is their service support. So usually I'm getting my questions answered over WhatsApp, and they are pretty very responsive, and they are giving a quick reply for our clarifications. So I request Woodman to continue further and continue support for your customers like this in future. And another important thing is like your steering controls. So whatever the controls which is available in the car, we can able to connect with this system, and it also work really good with respect to this volume increase and volume decrease, and it is very responsive, and we can change the tracks, we can pause, and we can even attend our phone calls from our steering control. So whatever the existing steering control, we can able to synchronize those controls with this player. So that's it. So overall it's a good player, value for your money, and I hope Woodman will continue to support their customers with their wonderful service. Thank you.